Next is the sludge digester. So this sludge digester, the this is the digestion tank which is been used for the digesting the sludge. So this digestion tank, so it is in the cylindrical shape. Mm. So in this cylindrical tank, so either it is made up of RCC or it is made up of steel. So with sludge digestion with an RCC or the steel tank cylinder with the hooper bottom, so it is covered with a fixed or floating types of it is covered with a fixed or floating types of the ropes at the top. uh, this is what the typically the anaerobic digesters. So you can see that the shaded parts, this is the wall, so this is the roof. The sludge inlet pipe is this moving to here. So these are the two inlet pipes. The gas movement, so gas usually the whatever the liquid will be settles at the bottom, organic inorganic all it will settle at the bottom. The gases we know that it will be which comes to the top. So here the whatever the gases which comes out, so that which move towards inside the pipe, and the gas outlet will through gas outlet the gas will be removed. So here in the left side, the whatever the suspension of the solid waste is there, thus that sorry the all this settlement whatever the sludge it will be settled at the bottom, so that can be sludge that can be removed here. But here superintent removals will be done in this in the left side positions that which I'm showing here. So apart from that, the whatever the here what there is a one is maximum sludge which is imposed at one side one end, and the minimum sludge it will be intended on the another end. So first maximum sludge whatever it is there, that will be settled at the having the higher specific gravity, that will be settled at the bottom, where the minimum sludge, so the minimum sludge with the lighter in the weight it will be settled at the top. So that will be that can be removed time to time. So the whatever the in the anaerobic digester, so usually there are the two types of the I told this is the in this digester there is a two types of the anaerobic digesters are there. One is standard rate sludge digester, another is the high rate sludge digesters. So these are the two types of the digesters which are there. So in this anaerobic digesters, the standard rate digestion process, the digester which contains usually unheated and unmixed the digestions. So in this the digestion period may vary from 30 days to 60 days. So in high rate digestion process, that digesters whatever it contents that will be are very heated, and completely it will be get mixed. So amount of the time which is required for the digestion period, so that may varies to around 10 to 20 days. So this combination of the standard and high rate digestions, so that can be achieved in the two stages of the digestions. The second stage, I told there is a first stage is the standard rate sludge process, and the second stage digesters. So that is the mainly separates the digested solids from the supernatant liquor. So this supernatant liquor, it is a liquor which has been used for the removal of the waste sludge, separation from the sludge. so and their waste materials. So although whatever this additional digestions and this gas recoveries, so that can be achieved more in the case of the high rate sludge digesters. But in this case of the standard in the case of after the standard rate sludge digesters, so the amount of the removal of the gases that can be done, but high rate of the digestions and the high amount of the gas recovery and the rate of the sludge will be more in the case of the high rate sludge digesters. So that is digested from the that is mainly due to the digested solids from the supernatant liquor. So although this additional digestions and gas recovery is achieved, but amount of the whatever the sludge which is outlet, so that is a stabilized sludge that can be achieved in the high rate sludge digesters. So that's about the sludge digesters. So we discussed about the types of the anaerobic digesters, that is a standard rate and the high rate sludge digesters. So that's about the fourth module.